Hey everybody, happy Sunday night, January 26th. It's me, your favorite UFOographer. Strange sights. And here's tonight's strange sight by this building's water tower. See the water tower? You know, I didn't really recognize that till now. It's because it's at an angle facing upward. Now this, what I think is another one off to the left, but it's too far away and this one's too close up. And we're gonna keep filming this one. Oh God, I gotta zoom out to zoom in. Got so big. And you know how that sounds. Okay, hello? Hello? There we go. Okay, I won't zoom in anymore. Can you get bigger? Can you hear me? I guess not. It is nice out tonight, folks. Hope you're having a good weekend. I've had a really terrific one starting from Friday. It is now Sunday. I won't go into details why, and you probably don't want to hear anyway. What? Did you see that flying by? What the heck is that? Oh, it's zooming out. It went right through the tree. Well, this is an interesting video. Wait a minute. Here it is. There we go. There we go. Right by the water tower. It's beautiful out tonight. Not that cold at all. It's about, I don't know what degrees it is. What do you expect me to be the weatherman? It's around 30 plus. It's gonna be a warmer week. 30 degrees or less. It's better than 9. Starting to think we were in Siberia last week. But like I said, I'm not the weatherman. I can only say it's like for where I live. New York City, northeast of the USA. Hope you're tuning in worldwide. And I'll try to get more consistent. We're talking like every night or minimum 4 times a week, because this is just not acceptable. This is my first vid in, I don't know, 4 days. Well, I uploaded the one of the moon. That didn't go over too well. Oh man, there's an orange ring around the moon. Yeah, well, I thought it was unusual. Could just be the energy that the moon is projecting from the light. The light it has, you know. Have you ever seen an orange moon? I have. I've only seen the moon in 3 or 4 different colors. One night, I think in my life at least, I've seen a red, close to a red moon, but yellow, white, or orange. Those are the colors that mostly my whole life I've seen the moon in. But the moon, I got my own feelings of it. I have talked to people from MUFON. Again, that's the Mutual UFO Network. I think their main office is in California. They're a non-profit organization. And I went there for the UFO seminar way back in, was it the same year? Yeah, 2019. And then no, it was the beginning of 2019. Yeah. And yep, that was a busy year flight, the most I've flown in a year, twice in my life. And then I went to Europe. Not that I'm bragging, just in the same year. So the UFO thing, jaunt, that I went by myself. Well, I went by myself both times, but Europe's a lot further away than Arizona. That's all I'm saying. Saw my first scorpion. And saw a couple of semi-famous folks that have been on both Skinwalkers and Ancient Aliens. They were there speaking at the MUFON seminar. I was there for like, I don't know, 2.5 days. I did post the video. I said, MUFON 2019 seminar, which took me several years to post. I had to scroll way back in my iPhone, way back. I got so much footage here, and I have to take tons of photos and videos from an old flash drive. And the guy said, it'd be like $95. Yeah, does that mean you have to pay if there's nothing on there? I hope so, because otherwise I'm not considering it. A lot of sentimental pictures, good photos of film crew, and, you know, just in life, and videos that I shot. I already had the ones, I went to Pro Image right down the street, and I had the footage taken out of there. And there was about 100 videos. One of them I'm looking for, but I gotta go through all the footage, and you know what that's like. But it is a really nice, pleasant Sunday night. I wanted to shoot this early. It's a little after 7 p.m. And that is my hand moving this. So the one towards the left that's further away, I think it's one of these things that you see close up with a more yellowish color on the right. I think it's the same energy portal, whatever it is. Stargate, possibly. And you didn't think energy was visible? Well, just tune into my channel and you will see. So, I'm assuming you all tuning in love strange phenomena in the sky, UFOs, the paranormal. If I ever get a video of Bigfoot or the Jersey Devil or the Dover Demon, I'll definitely be posting it. Or any ghostly images. I've had some ghostly images, but they were things that I filmed above the Earth's surface in the sky. Some of them weren't that high above. I had a video back. Ooh, you'd have to scroll through. I think I said spidery lights. A spidery lights image. Now, there was no vehicle moving on the street at that time, so it couldn't have been reflected by that. Yeah, that's an ambulance. Or a fire engine. No, that's an ambulance. I just saw it. It turned the corner. Never a dull moment, New York City. This is gonna be a great year. A great year, my greatest. There is a different feeling, a different change in the year. And I'm not really talking presidency, I'm talking in my own life and energy. As a matter of fact, I've been getting these, the static energy from rubbing up against stuff. I won't go into detail, but I'll touch something and I'm getting a shock. Several times, 3-4 times during the day in the past few weeks, I've been touching things, and first contact, I get a shock. And this has never happened to me. Y'all have, and this isn't with me doing my laundry for the day, because that's, the most where you get static energy. Maybe I've got a static energy personality. Magnetism. Who knows? But I'll tell you, I'm experiencing this. Any of you are experiencing the same thing with static energy, let me know. Leave it in the comments. Tell me how often, when. Of course, this is about these things in the sky, but that would be listed as the paranormal, static energy happening more and more. But I've been psyched, I've been enthused. I'm normally a very enthusiastic person, so that's always good, to have enthusiasm in your life, loving your craft, whatever you do. I don't care if it's you're running your barista coffee shop or whatever you do it well and dig it, be into it. Otherwise, why do it? If that makes any sense, and I think it does. So I'll be posting this a little bit tonight before it hits Monday. One of the things I've got to keep doing, I know I've talked about it here, is I got to stop posting at a certain time when I'm going to post a video. So, gosh, should I make the decision right now? Maybe I should. Okay, let's say when I'm filming Friday night starting next week, I will post it before 11 a.m. Saturday morning, just so you know. You'll be seeing a vid that morning. Now it's 11 a.m. It'll be 11 a.m. EST, Eastern Standard Time. So if you're out in the West Coast, it'll be a little before 8, be 8 a.m. Or other places, another time. I know in England, I think it's 5 hours earlier. And in the Orient, wow, it's like 12-hour difference. So if it is the day here in Japan, for instance, I think it would be, It'd be the 27th already. Pretty weird. They made up the time. Did you know that? Yeah. They made it up in the 19th century. Google it. Look it up. And they did it so money would be flowing 24 hours, but could have another sinister purpose behind it. Who knows? What I'm trying to say is it's really all the same time. You just document it as 12-hour difference in China, 5-hour difference in France, and so on. So, cough it up, come straight, just tell the truth, man. So, as I no longer make sense, I think it's time to wrap it up. And I remember this one guy with several guests. He said he saw me on the doorstep, probably the same one. No, I think it was further down. And he said, "Oh, what are you shooting, a blog?" And I said, oh yeah, I'm shooting a blog. So with that being said, dear folks, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you most likely tomorrow. Take that to the bank. Strange sights in the sky. Signing out.